Start your engines, guys. If you're thinking about creating business rules for how your customer's loan application information, or when your loans that exist inside of Pre-Approve Me trigger conditions to be asked for from your customers, the conditions engine is where you want to be. So to get there, go to your settings, decide if you're going to be editing a company level setting or a personal setting. I'm going to go to my company. Then go to Conditions Engine. Now you'll see we built several default Conditions Engine rules. These are all built based on tags. So if you've got tags in the system for VA, for self-employed, for whatever, these are being pulled into the appropriate types of rules here. So you can see here I've got one for created for bankruptcy. On loan created when declared bankruptcy. At least one person answers yes. Then we're going to ask for conditions tagged hashtag bankruptcy. Okay. If you want to add a custom set of conditions or a custom rule set or edit these, you can edit them here, right? So if you want to go in and edit them, you can. Or if you want to create a new custom rule, click Create Rule. And then essentially you're going to be building in what are you creating. So in this case, I'm going to create one called Likes Roses. I don't know how that information is going to be in the loan application, but let's just say we're going to be triggering this rule on loan created, on whenever a loan application is imported, on when a Fannie Mae file is imported, on an integrated partner sending data to us, so that'd be like Encompass, Point, or a manual loan. So if manual loan would be you went to our dashboard and said click Create Loan. You can specify, or you can just say anytime a loan is created. So most of the time on loan creation is fine. I'm going to go into my activation here and select the custom list or the value that we're going to be looking at. In this case, I'm going to say what their first time home buyer. Okay. And we'll say that they marked, at least one of the borrowers marked yes. And based on that activation, what am I going to do? I'm going to select an action. So I can pull in any of my existing tags from my conditions library, or I can search a set of conditions. Here it says add condition to loan, and I can look through my entire set of conditions. So I'm going to say it's this one. Let me grab another document, and it's this one. Now, as you can see, in order for you to be effective building your conditions engine rules, you first have to make sure the conditions and the tagging exists on your conditions library. So if you don't know how to do that, go to your conditions library tutorial, check it out, and we'll walk you through it. Once that's done, you can go in here and you can build as many rules as you want to ensure that when your customers are applying or you're importing them, we're going to be asking them for the right docs.